Oh, sorry, princess.
I think I need my lunch break for 5 whole hours or more than that. Well, maybe I should go to the restroom and I'll have lunch with you two.
Hey, now, how about it? We got an elevator. I went down, got some of them big black cigars.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey! What's going on?
Shh. Don't disturb everyone around you.
Oh, shh.
I swear my life. Oh, I'm too sick forever.